Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn numbers with colors. Let's find out some color name kids. This is red color. Which color kids? This is red color. This is green color. Which color kids? This is green color. This is violet color. Which color kids? This is violet color. This is orange color. Which color kids? This is orange color. This is blue color. Which color kids? This is blue color. This is green color. Which color kids? This is green color. Okay kids, let's start the video. One, two, three, four, five. This is five. Six. This is six. Seven. This is seven. Eight. This is eight. Nine. This is nine. 10. This is 10. 11. This is 11. 12. This is 12. 13. This is 13. 14. This is 14. 15. This is 15. 16. This is 16. 17. This is 17. 18. This is 18. 19. This is 19. 20. This is 20. 21. This is 21. 22. This is 22. 23. This is 23. 24. This is 24. 25. This is 25. 26. This is 26. 27. This is 27. 28. This is 28. 29. This is 29. 30. This is 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay kids, like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.